start. Okay. Now, guys, we're back here. We forgot, as Ismail said, and this is a problem. I'm going to back to this problem just a quick. This is the problem. 4 over the fifth radical of 3 minus 2x cubed. We make it as exponential function. Okay. And this is 4 3 minus 2x negative 3 over 5, because we took this guy from the bottom to the top, right? Now, to integrate it, what we have to do, we add, we leave this, because this is linear, 3 minus 2x, negative 3 plus 5 here, the exponent becomes 2. Negative 3 plus 5 equal to the 2 over 5, then 2 over 5. Remember always to keep the denominator the same. Okay, now 3 minus 2x, 5 over 2, 2 cancel with 2. Now the last step is to divide all my answer by what? To divide all my answer by the derivative inside. What the derivative inside?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Now this cancel with this c here. C is the most important stuff. 5, negative 5, 3 minus 2x, 2/5 plus c. Okay. Okay, I have a question for you, Ismail. I need to try in the board, but you have to be nice and neat, because you're doing it for everyone, not for yourself, right? You're doing this problem for everyone, not for yourself. A little tricky about what? Okay. You how about one easy and one, start with the easy one? Okay, example. Just give it space. 2 examples. One, the first one, integration of 2x cosine. You're gonna move the board left and right, right? Plus dx. And the second one, I'm gonna leave, you're gonna go come here, okay? You're gonna do vertically there. And the second one, you're gonna do it here, which is integration of x cubed 1 minus x squared dx. This yours and oh. Ismail, can I have something? Can I have something? Before you start, okay guys, this is class calculus 2 classes, techniques of integration, and now we have class 2. We should start this from the beginning, but it's because we have 2 classes, we need to connect the ideas together, right, Ismail? If you have any question, you can text me here, send an email. And this is the second class of techniques of integration. Techniques of integration will take too many classes, because this is the foundation of calculus 2. Now let us map back to our problem. You are more than welcome to our classes. Okay, go ahead, start. Just give and don't cover the writing. And okay, what Ismail did, just let me just hold on. Can I follow?
Yeah, let me just finish writing it through.
Okay. Hold on, let me just erase this one.
Which one?
And just fixed it to be, hold on. Can we use different color? And here, look here, x2, x black, dx like 2, and like I don't. Can you erase everything here and what? Be a lot organized? Okay, good. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Then du. And to explain it for yourself, you have to put du over dx. No, okay, don't explain it for yourself. Explain it for everyone. Du over dx Now you understand everything. Now just make. Okay, what he did, he'll hold on. You can explain. Okay, because you use. Okay. Okay, what he did. Look, and I used to do du over dx. He used du equal 2x dx. He can't do this way, I don't mind. Then du equal 2x dx. Then du, he divide both sides by what? By 2x. By 2x, right? By 2x. And that what gave him what? The du over dx. Okay, okay, keep going. Cosine u.
This is going to cancel with this.
Okay, now you see how smart Ismail he did in his choices? When he want to choose one of the which function is u, the u always, the one, if you derive it, you get the other, right? That you take this from experience, right? When you're practicing more problem and problem. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
And then the integration.
Write down integration of cosine u du.
Is,
Write down integration of cosine u du. Write the step. No, write it. Start it. The sign
no,
of
I
that.
don't know what you're saying, but I don't know what you mean.
The sign of the integration. You cannot integrate till you simplify yourself, okay?
Okay.
Integration of cosine is what?
Cosine is cosine, negative sine.
Sine, you mean.
Sine, cosine, cosine. Oh, it's the other way. Yeah.
Integration of cosine.
It's the opposite of the.
Yes, the integration of the sine is negative cosine. Sine u plus c equal sine x square. Why x square, Ismail? Because you bring u as is, okay? Okay, now, hold on. Just quickly. Cosine u du. Integration of cosine is sine, right? Integration of cosine is sine u plus c, which is sine square x plus c. Now, Ismail, you're gonna fight, hold on, move. Now, okay, this is your, show me your muscles now. Yeah, go ahead. I need your math muscles. Let us see what Ismail gonna do. You cover the board, Ismail. No one can see anything from you. Okay, you need me to move the board to the... What? Okay. What's this? Okay. Then Ismail did the first step. Hold on. He just convert the radical form to the exponential form. How this is gonna help? I don't know. Go ahead. Then he make u equal 1 minus x squared. Good job, Ismail. Good job. Can you use it in blue because the integration red? Can I explain the step? Can I explain it first? Ismail, he said, okay, I don't know why he chose this, but usually anyone in the parentheses is you. If you look, this is a confusing problem. If you want to choose u equal x cubed, it's going to be x squared, but you're going to cancel it because you have 1 minus x squared. Ismail, he chose u equal to 1 minus x squared, du, the derivative of 1 is 0, negative x squared is negative 2x dx. Then, okay. Go ahead. du over negative 2x dx. Hold on. Let me see how this gonna. Can you not do reduce? Okay, go ahead. Can you read the 3 and make fix it? And choose the holder, like green. I'm gonna choose it for you. Go ahead. du over negative 2x. Step, one step. Then what he did, this guy is u to the half, x cubed he lifted, dx change to be du over negative 2x, right? Then what you have to do, just move the board a little up. Move more. Okay, good. What you have to do, can I just extend this line? Hold on, 1 second. 1 second. Okay, go ahead, yeah. You have to shoot the bin first. Right? Integration, yes, go ahead. This is a long problem and it's a long and very important problem. Then Ismail, he reduced, hold on. He reduced the 3 and the 1 here. As a calculus 2 students, you have to have 2 very quick skills, right, Ismail? Mm-hmm. Then x squared. You haven't had a good teacher. Who's your teacher, Ismail? You're doing good. No, believe me, guys, I don't cheat with them. He did the whole problem by himself. But I taught him calculus 1, right?
Yeah.
He's doing good job. Wow. Can you fix the D? Come on. I'm gonna give you 0 for the D. What are you doing? Here you gonna get stuck, right? Wrong. Everything wrong. Now here's the trick. Here, guys, can you move? I'm gonna erase it. Don't worry about this. Okay. Here's the trick. Now he did everything is okay up to this minute. Now we have 2 with this.
Shouldn't I integrate them?
Hold on, you cannot integrate, you have 2 variables, u and x. You cannot, because look here, look. X depend on you and do you depend on x from your substitution, Ismail. And u and x both function of each other, right?
So do I plug it in now and integrate, or?
Now what you have to do, you're gonna have them either all u or all x to integrate it. Go back, Ismail.
But if I want to make this in terms of u,
Ismail, just go back, right? U1, here. U equal 1. You see this guy here?
Yeah.
You see this guy here? U equal 1 minus x squared. Right where? Here, again. Hold on. I'm gonna give you, hold on. I'm gonna give you the colors. U equal, here. 1 minus x squared. If you solve for x squared, solve this guy for x squared, right? And what x squared equal? You have to be very careful in solving. What you doing? Come on. What you doing?
Solve for x squared.
Yes, solve for x squared. X squared equal 1? Come on. I said solve for x squared. I told him to solve for x squared. I told him to solve this equation for x squared. Okay, solving for x squared, That means, come here, Ismail, see. He said plus x square, right? Then we have to solve for, this solve for u. This solve for what? I need to solve it for what now? Then when you move x squared to this side becomes what? X squared, right? When you move the u from here to here, 1 minus what? U. You follow me?
Yeah.
Then we back to his integration, negative 1/2 integrate. I need to put the integration like this. And x squared, 1 minus what? 1 minus what? U. And here u to the what? 1/2 du, right? Now finish. You're gonna multiply. Look, you have to multiply first, then after that integrate. Leave the integration sign to the end. Hold on, can I exit the line? Because I need to be organized. You can exit. Yeah, negative half. Okay.
You took 3/2.
Mhm. I don't like this way. No, hello. I don't like this way. I'm gonna give you 0. I don't like this way. I don't like this way. I give zeros for any kids give me this way. You cannot mix the steps together plus 1. You do it another step. Leave negative half. And no integration, no more integration, right? U to the half in red, U to the, if you want to do add plus 1, add U to the half in the blue. Can you in the blue the one over what? Plus 1. U to the same thing. 3/2. Let's see, but hold on 1 second. I'm gonna put here a bracket from the beginning because the negative half, right, comes to the all. Now hold on, okay, I'm gonna move the board, okay. So why Ismail you don't use okay that way? Because it's gonna be long, okay, no problem. Leave negative half and keep bracket, be organized. Be organized, negative half.
It's going to be 3/2, right?
Yes, 2/3. Look, it's going to be
This is
2/3.
going to be
2/3 out, 2/3 out. This guy going to be 3. Okay, 1 second. Can I explain it for everybody?
yeah.
Okay, what we did here, these two, 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. When you take it from the bottom, you flip it, right? And the same thing here. This is going to be what? 3/2 plus 1, 5/2, 2/5. You improved a lot, Ismail. A lot. 5/2. Let's see. The last step is what? 2. The last step is no. I don't need any multiplication. Hold on. No. The last step, negative half, leave it outside. Open bracket, 2/3. No, 2/3 first. Yeah, okay. Use how much? 1 minus x squared, 3/2. 3/2, not 2/3. 3/2. Here
Oh,
it is.
not bad.
Minus 2. Good job. Now the last problem, we're gonna do it before we have time to do one problem. Ismail. Power of sine. Use power called power of sine. Power of sines. Power of what? Power of I'm going to start with the power of sine today. I will not finish it today, but later power of what? Sines on and cosines. Still we're going to use what? Look here, integration of sine cube x dx. You can do this one, integration of sine cube x dx. Look how the student thinks, how the student will think to solve this problem.
It's the same as that.
Yes, he's saying sine cube x the same as sine x cube. Okay, how this is gonna help me? Guys, I'm trying to show you how the kid thinks, the student, then how I'm gonna fix them. Because what he's doing now is wrong. I'm gonna think with him together. We're gonna think together. When you have odd exponent for the sine, when you have odd exponent, split, okay.
Yeah, I remember this one.
Split what? Okay, slow down. Can we slow down with this problem? Can you please? And be organized. Okay. What you have to remember? You go ahead, tell me. What I have to remember to solve this problem? Tell me.
That sine squared x equals 1 minus.
I have to remember that sine square x equal 1 minus cosine square x. This is what I have to remember. And I'm going to do it in two colors.
Yeah, this one's annoying.
I'm going to do it in two. Keep the red, keep the dx. I'm going to use multicolors here. This 1 minus cosine square x, and here sine what? X. My integration in terms of dx. Now which one is my u? I'm going to do my u's here. What's my u? U is what?
Sine.
What? What you saying?
Here's the mark.
What are you saying? No. Always the one has exponent is my u.
Cosine.
Then cosine is my u. Then u is cosine x. Right? Then du. What derivative of cosine?
Sine.
Sine, right? Negative sine, right? Negative.
Yeah, the derivative, yeah, negative.
The derivative of cosine negative sine x dx. Now we need dx. Dx equal negative sine x over, du. This dx, no du.
No, you're
Oh,
wrong.
I'm sorry.
You're wrong.
I'm wrong, yes, I'm
You're
wrong.
wrong.
Sorry.
The student becomes
So-
the teacher.
Sorry, Mr. Teacher.
Game over.
Sorry, Mr. Teacher. Okay, I meant to have it wrong to fix me.
No, I'm
I
saying-
know I meant to have it wrong to fix me, to
Taking your
see,
job.
to see if you're awake.
I'm gonna start doing it the way you stop me.
To see if you're awake.
No, stop, hold on.
Okay, can I? Okay, negative. Then we need dx, right? Negative du. Okay, sorry, mister. Can I say sorry?
It's okay. Next
This-
time, I'm gonna give you a 0.
Okay. Okay, integration of 1 minus, what we said, cosine, u, right?
Yeah.
U square and sine x, leave it, and dx is du negative over sine x. We have negative sign. Just let me just add the negative sign. Okay, now sine x cancel with sine x. Wow, good job, right? Now, okay, integration of 1 minus u squared du, but the negative here, did you see this negative? I can play with this negative, make these two guys the opposite. You see, when you multiply negative 1 and negative positive u squared, right? I can do it u squared minus 1. U squared minus what? 1 du. Now u cube over 3 u and plus c. Now bring u as is. Use what?
Cosine.
Cosine cube x over 3 minus cosine x plus c. Good. Stop. Stop.